Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to find potential malware startup
Comando
entries
dice, vai,
with Autoruns step by step.
l'attivata posto scorsa la posta con
Autoruns is a powerful
vai che
Microsoft
cale dite non
Sysinternals
dite
tool
in
that helps you
produzione
inspect everything
a
that starts
questa sono di
automatically
Pedro
with Windows, making it easier to spot suspicious or unfamiliar startup items. So let's get
dopo un giro
started.
non va
First, open Autoruns on your Windows computer and run it with administrator privileges if prompted. Wait for the application to complete its system scan and load all startup entries. Next, open the Options menu and enable Hide Microsoft Entries. Yeah, this hides most built-in Windows components, so you can focus on third-party startup items that deserve closer attention. You can also enable Verify Code Signatures to help identify whether files are digitally signed by trusted publishers. Now, carefully review the remaining entries. Look for unknown program names, missing publisher information, unusual file locations, or entries that you don't recognize. If you find something suspicious, right-click it and choose Search Online to learn more before making any changes. Avoid deleting or disabling an entry based only on its name. Instead, verify the publisher, check the file location, and confirm whether the software belongs to an application you intentionally installed. If you're still unsure, scan the file with your antivirus software or another trusted security scanner before taking action. If you determine that a startup item is unnecessary or potentially harmful, you can temporarily disable it by clearing its checkbox. This is generally safer than deleting the entry immediately because you can easily restore it later if needed. And that's it. You now know how to use autoruns to find potential malware startup entries and safely investigate suspicious startup programs. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.